So, how many times do you have leftover pizza and you're like, here we go again? Well, today we're going to do something special with leftover pizza. We're going to make croutons for Caesar salad. That's right, delicious croutons made from your leftover pizza. So, let's get started. First off, we're going to take one bulb of garlic, cut the top off, top it off with a little bit of olive oil, put on some foil, wrap it up tight. That's right, we're roasting a little garlic. That's going to be for our Caesar salad dressing. So we'll put that right on a cookie sheet. Next, 2 chicken breasts that we cleaned up. We're going to hit with a little bit of olive oil on both sides. Rub it in good. And then we're going to hit with some granulated garlic on both sides. There we go. Flip it the other way. Top it off. And then we'll put these on the baking sheet as well. We're going to put in the oven at 300 degrees for 1 hour and 20 minutes. That gives you enough time for the garlic to get roasted, and the chicken breast will be done. Next, get your nonstick pan out. You got one small package, about 6 ounces of pancetta, diced up. There we go, and we're just gonna slowly cook that down. And once we get this pancetta cooked up, just like bacon, I have a container where I always save the fat. So you want to have that at the ready once this is done. So we'll get a little fancy here for the camera. Anyways, once the pancetta is done, like I told you, I've got my little container out and some cheesecloth. I'm just going to separate the fat from the pancetta. And then I'll pour the fat into my container and keep that in the fridge for times when you need good bacon grease for cooking. We'll set the pancetta to the side and let's get started on our Caesar salad dressing. Our chicken is done, so we're going to put our bulb of garlic in one container. A half a cup of mayo goes in. 1 heaping tablespoon of Dijon mustard. And 1/2 a cup of good extra virgin olive oil. 3 teaspoons of lemon juice. A couple dashes of Worcestershire sauce. Little salt, little pepper. And then 2 little anchovies. And then I almost forgot, a half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. Now we're going to put that to our motor and we'll blend this up real good and we'll have our dressing in the refrigerator ready to go. Now let's get those croutons started. Like I said, we're going to take 2 nice slices of pizza. We're going to cut the crust off, get rid of that. Then we're just going to cut the pizza into nice little squares. Just like that. And we'll do the other piece. Get rid of that crust. That doesn't make a good crouton. And just cube up this other piece. Then we're going to put these into a bowl. We're going to add just a little bit of olive oil and some granulated garlic. And we'll give them a real good toss. And then we're going to put these in the oven at 375 for about 25 minutes until they crisp up real nice. And while I'm doing this, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes. Leave a comment if you can, it really helps. I put out a new video every Wednesday and every Sunday. So come back often. There we go, we got the pizza in the bowl, a little bit of olive oil, and some granulated garlic. And then we'll give it a good shake. There you go. A little bit more garlic. You need a lot of garlic. You're making Caesar salad, you know. There we go. Then we get our cookie sheet out. Spread everything out nice and even. And you're ready to go. So, all we got left is our chicken. Has to be cut up now that it's chilled. So we'll dice up the chicken. And then we'll get our mixing bowl out. We'll add our romaine lettuce, our chicken. We'll add our croutons, then our dressing, our pancetta, and we'll give everything a real good mix. And then it'll be time to plate and serve. And you have delicious Caesar salad with the best croutons you've ever had with your leftover pizza. Brilliant idea. Give it a try, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.